students. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys kind of the way the course is gonna work. Um, so I wanted to, just review in case anybody has any questions or anything like that. So here is the course, right? So you guys log in here, and this is the course. If you click on this icon, it'll take you to the syllabus and you'll be able to read all of the great stuff there. Here at the bottom, we have the different weeks. And I'm turning this way because this is the screen that has the canvas on it. So when you guys click on week 1, you're going to go to week 1. And as the weeks are opening, you guys are going to see that, you guys can click it from here. Or you guys can also go to the side, to the left tabs over here. And of course, if you click announcements, I'm going to have some announcements here for you guys. If you click the syllabus, it's going to be the same thing. You click it and then, it'll take you to the syllabus website. And then we're going to go to the modules. So this here is pretty much the way the whole course is going to be structured. So this week we have a little bit more things to do just because it's the first week and all of that good stuff. But every single module is going to have the overview. So you guys have week 1 overview. You guys are going to click. And then it's going to tell you everything that we're going to do for this week. So most weeks are going to have, probably all will have 2 different modules in them. Each week will have 2 modules. So this week we have the welcome module and we have all these little goodies here to look through. And we have the module 1, which is chapter 1, creating and modifying a flyer. Under these modules, which are actually our word modules of the work that we're going to do, we're going to have 3 different sections. You're going to have your journaling section, you're going to have learn it section, and apply it section. So under the journaling section, we have a discussion board, and we're going to be doing journaling just because journaling is a great way to de-stress yourself, keep yourself on course. So the journal for this week is just let me introduce yourself. So you're just going to tell us all about who you are. We're also going to have a learn it section, which has 1, 2, 3 assignments on here. And we're going to have the apply it section, which has 1 assignment. Now, under the learn it section, you have read word chapter 1, which is in Cengage. You're going to have the SAM training module 1, creating the flyer, which is also in Cengage. And you're going to have the SAM end of module project 1. Now this one here, number 3, it is for practice. It is not graded. So you can practice and see how ready you are to submit the SAM project 1A word module 1. So the practice, it says here for practice, not graded. This is similar to the SAM project. So if you want to get a little bit of practice, you can go ahead and do that. So these are the things that we're going to do for this week. So if you go back, or if you go to the next one, if you go back to them or back to the modules, you'll see here all of those same assignments are here, and they're divided into 2 sections. Welcome module, and you're going to go through all of these goodies and check them out. If you have any questions, make sure you email me. And then you're going to actually start your work, which is module 1, chapter 1. And we're going to click all of these assignments here. Now, remember to please purchase your Cengage code. We are using Cengage Unlimited. Little tidbit here is that if you have another course that also uses Cengage Unlimited, you will only have to purchase it 1 time. So if you take my CAOT 82 class, which starts on October 23, you'll be able to use the same code. You won't have to buy a different one. Or if you have another instructor, some other instructors also use Cengage Unlimited. So you'll be able to use that same code for all the different classes. So once you purchase your code and you get your account activated, if you see here on the syllabus, if you go to the syllabus, it tells you all about how to get your code. So when you click on this first one, read, you're going to click it. It's going to take you to a page and you're going to click that. Now it does take a tiny bit of time, okay? Just a little bit, not a lot. And as it's loading, you're going to see that you're going to read. It's going to take you directly to your assignment. And here is your book. Okay? So you're going to go ahead and read. And, it's going to take you through everything. You're going to read. And this is your assignment to read. Now, it did open up, if you see here at the top, it did open up another window. So once you're done, you can just close out of that, right? Close. Now, if you go to the next one, I'm going to take you guys to modules so you could see. Now, this is our SAM training, okay? So we're going to click it. And remember, since our code is already activated, it's going to open in a separate window. And it's going to take a tiny bit of time, right? Less than a minute, probably. Let's see what we get. It's going to open up the assignment window. We're going to click start and it's going to open another window. And you are going to do your assignment here on this window. And this is what it shows you. You have 3 buttons up here. You have observe, you have practice, and you have apply. The observe button, when you push play,
type text in the search box to display.
It's going to do it for you. All you're going to do is observe. It's a video.
Click a tab.
It's going to tell you what it is that you're going to do.
Display the menu dialog box.
It's going to go ahead and do it. See?
Click the search box
I don't have to do anything.
and
I just have to
insert
listen.
chart
That's all
in
you
the
do.
box.
Okay? And then you click, and then it see. So it's
Word
doing
display the
everything for
menu
you
of
on the
tasks
observe.
and commands for
If
getting
you go to
help.
practice, we're going to go to practice and we're going to click play.
Type text in the search
And it
box to
tells
display
you
a
what to
menu
do.
of related tasks and
what
help
it's saying.
topics. Click a task
Type
to perform
text
it
in the
immediately
search box
or to display the menu
of
dialog
related
box or
tasks and
pane
help
you need.
topics.
Click
So
the
it's
search
telling
box
you
on
where
the
to
title
go.
bar
See?
and
Click.
type insert chart in the box.
And then here, click the search bar on the title bar and type insert chart. So you're going to do insert chart.
Word
Now it's
displays
giving
the
you the
menu
next
of tasks
instructions,
and
right?
commands for getting
Word
help.
displays a menu of tasks, and
Point.
then you have to click
The
this.
Get Help menu lists
And
help
it tells
topics
you.
for
So
inserting a
it's
chart.
telling you what to do. You're
Click
doing
the
it.
second option on the
It
Get
took a
Help
little bit
menu.
long, so it's telling me this is the one you have to click. So then you click.
The Help panel opens with an explanation
So
of each step for
you're
completing
the
the task.
when you hit, so we're going to cancel out of here. When you hit apply, you are the one that's going to have to do it. See how we did before? So you will be the one that will have to do it. Once you're done with all of your tasks, because we have here 55 tasks, and you're done with the last one, you're gonna hit submit, and that will submit your assignment. Okay, so we're gonna exit out of that, and then okay, and we are going to click out of that tab. We're gonna go back to modules. Then if you guys want to practice, you guys could do the yellow one. The green ones are the ones that are graded. The yellow one is the practice one. So you're going to click this. And this is actually a Word file that you're going to have to modify or create. So you open it up, and this one is a little bit different. It gives you the instructions. You're going to start. And now here are your instructions. you're going to download the instructions, download the start file, and download any supporting files that you're going to need. When you download this start file, please do your assignment on this start file. Do not create a new file, because then once you're done, you're going to have to come back and upload that file in a Word version and drop it in here. And that is how you're submitting your assignment. So remember, for the practice, download the instructions, download the file, download the supporting files. This one here is a PNG, so it's a picture that you're going to use to insert into this file that you're working on. Once you're done with your file, you're going to follow these instructions on this file with your name. It will have your name. Finish working on it, inserting, doing the margins, whatever it is that it's going to ask you. Once you are done, upload it here. And that is how you submit your assignment. Now, this one here is practice, so it will not be graded, but it will tell you what you did wrong, what you need help with. Now, when you think you have practiced enough and you say, you know what, I am ready for the project, you're going to come back to this one. You're going to click on the project, and it's going to do the same thing. You're going to click on it. It's going to open in like a minute or less than a minute. And here you're going to push start, and you're going to do the exact same thing. Download the instructions, download your working file, and download whatever supporting files you have here. So see, there's a graduation PNG is an image, so it's a graduation image. Once you are done working on it, then you upload the file again and you're done submitting. So let's close that up. The last assignment that you're going to have is a journaling assignment. So here we have journal, and some people have already, submitted their journals, and I've been responding. As you submit, I'll respond. We're going to be journaling, and we're going to be, answering a few questions. You do not have to respond to anybody if you don't want to. That's going to be okay. If you feel inspired or something resonates with you about what a student posted, then, go ahead and respond to them. But it isn't required, So in this particular one, you're going to tell us whatever you want about yourself. It could be anything, right? Something that you would like for us to know. Remember, everybody's reading them, and I will try to respond to you as quickly as I can and welcome you to the course. Now, there's a few suggestions. If you don't know what to say, what can I tell people about myself? What's your major? How long have you been in ELAC? What are your academic goals, your hobbies, favorite place to visit, your favorite food, about your family, whatever you think you want to share with us, then you can go ahead and write that down. So these are going to be graded, and there's going to be a different question every week. And you're just going to go ahead and journal here. And that is all the assignments that we're going to have. Now, here's a little bit of information. It's not published yet, but for the following week, we have our overview, and we're going to have Module 2 and Module 3. Okay? That's a sneak peek. But Module 2 and Module 3 of Word will be exactly like this Module 1. We will have these 5 assignments right into the Module 2 and the Module 3. So I hope that answers some of your questions as far as, how the course, the format of the course, what we have to do. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Try to get your Cengage code as soon as you can. That's going to be really, really helpful. to get the assignments done quickly. I know some of you guys are waiting for your financial aid or your book grants to kick in. Cengage does give you a free trial. I believe it's 2 weeks, so you can go ahead and activate that. And once you get your code, then you just go ahead and punch it in. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to email me, please. If you guys want to come into Zoom hours, I'll be on Zoom Mondays and Wednesdays at 4:30, and you guys have my number there on the syllabus. So I'm excited. Hopefully this clears up some stuff. If you guys see, I'm a big Wonder Woman fan, so you can see all the little Wonder Woman dolls I collected, and things. Sometimes people are like, "Oh, you like Wonder Woman? Here you go. I saw this, or here, I got you this." So I will see you guys, through our Canvas. And if just to say hi, come by to the Zoom hours, and then just come and talk to me for a little bit. I'll be there either way. So I hope you guys have a good day today, and you guys have a great night. Okay? I'll see you guys. Let me see, where's my pause? I'll see you guys on Zoom. Remember, please email me. Don't wait. If any issues come up, just let me know. I'm here to help you guys, and I know we're gonna have a great semester. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.